What are statuses, and how can you benefit from them? There are 3 statuses on the Olymp Trade platform: Starter, Advanced, and Expert. The higher the status, the better your trading terms. Right after registering, you get a starter status with a standard set of benefits. You can bump up your status by accumulating experience points that are awarded for active trading, or by making a one-time deposit of a certain amount. After 30 days, your status may be bumped down. To prevent this from happening, continue trading, complete your tasks, and gain trading experience. When you accumulate experience points, you can reach new levels and unlock rewards. One of the rewards is an extension of your current status for 30 days. The ultimate reward for your Trader's Way is a status upgrade. Take full advantage of the status system on the Olymp Trade trading platform and get maximum results.